Hi, my name is Ali and I've come into Dr. Setareh's office in Newport Beach to get PRP hair restoration. Since my initial treatment, I've seen a lot of improvement in the density of my hair and have noticed a lot less falling out before and after showers. I'm pretty scared of needles, but after going through my sessions with Dr. Setareh, I've realized he's very experienced in the process of PRP, and I'm very comfortable with getting multiple sessions with him.
Hey guys, Dr. S here. Today we're doing PRP on a very great patient of ours. We're going to start by just doing finishing off a little bit of kind of disinfecting the area before we start. His problem was mostly in the crown and also the posterior aspect of the temples. We already drew the blood and spun it down in the centrifuge, which leaves us with that really nice golden yellow PRP section, platelet-rich plasma. So this is that golden yellow PRP section we were talking about. We use a really small needle to do the injections here, as you can see. It has been shown in some studies to really give you great benefit. All we're doing basically is injecting your own blood back into you, so there's very, very little risk associated with PRP. So if you're wanting to give it a try, it's definitely worth it.
I've noticed a lot of improvement in the density of my hair, which has definitely helped my confidence when I go out. I used to wear caps almost everywhere I'd go, including work. Now that I've had my 4th session, I've noticed that I can comb my hair without worrying about it falling out. And because I've seen a lot of improvement in my hair, I plan to continue seeing Dr. Setareh in the future for PRP sessions.